Prayer for my new daughter. Written after an attack on transgender college students attempting to use a restroom with a sign that said, "Bathroom with urinals." Prayer for my new daughter. A soul in chrysalis, in first agonized molt, must choose ladies or men's. For some, for you, these rooms are fried. An open field where lines are drawn. Think of the white-only signs, Serrano's Piss Christ, and Duchamp's fountain, pitted with acid and ice picks, defaced, defaced. As for restrooms called bathrooms with urinals, no, his words will never dismantle the Master's house. For an hour I have walked and prayed, walked and prayed. Those ice picks are meant to fit a blind hand and are so well made and are kept so well honed. You are soft as sown grass and fierce as cut glass. You pack your new purse with lipstick and mace. Sufferance. With definitions from Urban Dictionary and Dictionary.com for the 1,200 reported killings of trans people worldwide reported in the last year. Sufferance. Transgender, as in counterfeit, as in someone appearing or attempting to be a member of the other gender, as in equated with transsexual or cross-dresser or pervert, as in a term used by ugly girls as a defense mechanism against prettier girls, as in the only solution lies in psychology or religion, or until 1960, an ice pick lobotomy performed without anesthesia. Sufferance means passive permission from lack of interference, as in tolerance of something intolerable. The teen set on fire at the back of the bus, or stabbed with a steak knife on Muni. The way the world daily scathes you, my fear for your safety, a daily sufferance, as in endurance, as in archaic misery, as in Middle English or Latin equivalent of suffer, akin in its way to suffrage, the right to vote, as in vote for, support, child. I'm trying to support you in this. As in ecclesiastical, a prayer, an intercessory prayer, intercessory, come between, yes, yes, my body, between yours and theirs.